Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Well, today on Ron's Keto Cafe, we're going to be making a series of ice cream videos. Now, this is usually the Mason Jar ice cream video series, but today we're going to be using the Ninja Blender Bullet. And I used that the other day to make that creamy chocolate ice cream video, and it really came out fantastic. And all these recipes from the ice cream series videos that I'm doing are coming to you from a video YouTuber. His name is Joe Duff. He's a fantastic YouTuber, and I got his link in the show more. So that since we made the chocolate one, we're going to do some different variety type ice creams using frozen or fresh brew, and the formula for the base is pretty much all the same. And I noticed yesterday it made a big difference weighing everything up in the gram scale by the gram. And that ice cream was probably the best chocolate ice cream I ever had in my life yesterday. But the problem is I don't know enough to get in the ice cream on me. So I was eating my ice cream and some dripped all over my shirt the other day. So I had to change my shirt. But I'll probably make sure I eat it over with paper towel or something like that the next time I have ice cream, so I don't have to keep changing my shirts. But yeah, so anyways, I guess the question of the day is when you do have ice cream, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Now, I'm always a big fan of black raspberry ice cream. Maybe I get some of those little black raspberries and make my own black raspberry ice cream and see if I can get the texture to come out the same. But on the strawberry ice cream that I'm going to be making for today, I'm going to be using some frozen strawberries. We'll soften them up a little bit in the microwave, and then we'll blend them all together with the blender. And then we'll add a little bit of strawberry extract to give it a little bit of additional strawberry flavor, and add some food coloring in it to give it the authentic look with strawberries. And then we'll blend it all together. Now, traditionally, if you use a mason jar, once you get everything all in, you shake it for about 3 or 4 minutes, and you pop that into the freezer. And then every now and then you shake it for the first 2 or 3 hours, so it would thicken up a little bit. But we're going to do it a little bit different. So we're going to be doing it with the Ninja blender, because it does a really better job and I get it fully incorporated. And we'll put it in the freezer for 3 or 4 hours until I feel like if it's ready, and then we'll have sample it together. But I absolutely love ice cream, but the problem with ice cream, if you buy the Friendly's ice cream or go down to our local Kimball's ice cream place, it's really really good and tasty there, but the problem is there's a ton of sugar and a lot of carbs in there, and we're trying to avoid all that. And I love the summery treats like anybody else, but I'm trying to be really careful and get my weight under control again. It never really wasn't under control, but every now and then I just feel like when I don't give a crap, I start eating crappy foods and I start making bad choices, and next thing I know my weight shoots up, and I'm trying to inspire you guys to get healthy. So even if you're having a bad month of depression or something like that, like I've been going through, I'm definitely going to get myself back on track, and just take one day as the good Lord gives it to me. So enough said about all that. Let's go right into the recipe. Remember, the base recipe is all the same for all these videos, for the ice cream videos, and if you follow that method, you guys should be fine. And any substitute will work for any ingredients that I put in, and use whatever you have on hand. And hopefully we'll figure out what the macros are, and I'll put that on the timeline as well. But like again, if you subscribe to my channel and check out Joe Duff's YouTube channel, and subscribe to his channel as well. And yeah, leave a comment below the video. What's your favorite ice cream? And if there's any videos that you want me to make, you let me know and I'll make them as I get time. And remember, we're doing carnivore for the month of June, so hopefully I'm gonna have a lot of good carnivore video recipes coming up for you guys. And yeah, so anyways, enough said about everything. Have an amazing day. Love you guys. Stay healthy. Stay vigilant. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have a great day. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're a new member, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, this is a follow-up to the Ninja Bullet strawberry ice cream that we made. I put it in a pint container that's cardboard I got off Amazon. Those containers have lids and they can be used for just about anything. And I picked up around 24 of them last year for around like under 10 bucks. They're not that expensive, and just trying to use them up. And what better way to use them up than making some fresh summer strawberry ice cream. And earlier this week we made a chocolate ice cream, and we'll be making some more ice cream videos as time goes on. And at some point I'll be taking the three flavors, chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla, and put those all together and make a Napoleon ice cream. Is that how they call that? And yeah, so let's take a look at the ice cream that we made. So this is the ice cream in the container. I had scooped out some with the ice cream scoop. It's very soft and creamy. And I bought some of these sugar-free cones, and I just wanted to, I filled up the bottom half, and I got another scoop on top. And that's what our ice cream looks like for today. Doesn't that look good? Now come on, man. This has only got about 3 ingredients in here. It's got heavy cream, it's got a little bit of powdered swerve, a few strawberries, some extract, and it's got some red coloring in there, and that's pretty much about it. You know, I mean, I love regular strawberry ice cream in the store, but it packs a ton of sugars. And so let's take a taste test together. This is really good. Once again, these are sugar-free cones, a store-bought brand. And I'm going to sit down and enjoy my my ice cream and finish off that container probably. And the macros in here are very big, small and clean. It's only about, I think she said about 3 carbs, so Joe Duff said. But I can figure it out just as easily in Carb Manager. Maybe I'll put it up on the timeline. But I got his link below to show more. And his recipe for these ice cream, for the mason jar ice creams, are all pretty much the same. Instead of me doing the mason jar ice cream, what I ended up doing was I ended up doing it in a Ninja blended bullet, so I didn't want to have to sit there and shake it all up all 2 or 3 hours while it was freezing process. So this is real good. Again, my question of the day is, what is your favorite ice cream? Mine has always been black raspberry. So later on in the week, in the new month there, we're going to, even though we're doing a challenge for carnivore, we're going to slip in one of these once in a while, and I'll pick up some black raspberries and I'll make a black raspberry one. But this is fantastic, guys. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have a great day, everyone.